Good afternoon, Bluebeamers. My name is Troy DeGroot with U Chapter 2, and I'm excited to partner with the team at Brighter Graphics to deliver world-class Bluebeam training and customization services so you can get the most out of your Bluebeam investment. This one's going to be packed full of settings and preferences that will serve as essentially tips and tricks that stay active after turning them on. We're going to lay the foundation for saving time and creating more accurate markups and measurements in Revu. Next, we'll go on to the View menu. There's a few things in here that I want to point out, or I guess one main one, and that is the full screen crosshair. So you'll notice when I'm in my documents, my mouse has lines on it, top to bottom, left to right. And what that does is it makes it easier for me to find my cursor. So if it's a congested area of the drawing, all lines point to my cursor so I can find it really quickly. So I like to turn that on. That's under View, Full Screen Crosshair. Highlight that blue and that will turn it on. I hope you took some notes. I hope you enjoyed the detailed introduction of parts of the interface in Bluebeam Revu. Thanks for joining us. Reach out to Darren and his team at Brighter Graphics to learn more about additional licenses of Revu Extreme or the small investment of upgrading your existing seats. And as always, if you have any questions regarding training or customization services for your company, don't hesitate to reach out to our team as well.